The Center of Innovation program at Kanazawa Institute of Technology contributes to SDGs by building next-generation infrastructure with carbon fiber composite materials, applying the backcasting approach in order to realize a safe and secure society on a global scale. Infrastructure, the foundation of industries and life, has mainly been constructed with metals and concrete in the past. Strong yet lightweight, carbon fiber is the most suitable material for the next generation of construction, but a low production scale and high costs are still an issue. KIT is currently conducting research into high-speed continuous forming technology for carbon fiber composite materials. By establishing this technology, it will be possible to produce large amounts of inexpensive parts. Carbon fiber composite materials are characterized by their lighter weight, toughness, and resistance to corrosion. In various fields such as marine infrastructure, social infrastructure, and city and housing infrastructure, it will produce a product that has never been seen before.